Hey everybody, welcome to the adventures of the Oklahoma Gruntman. As you can see in the background, it's snowing and it's a balmy 1 degree this morning. It got down to 0 last night. The snow started about an hour ago. It's around 9 o'clock right now. They canceled church for the day. I guess the furnace isn't working right in the sanctuary, and it's just too cold. They said it ran all night and it was only 58 degrees in the sanctuary this morning. So yeah, they just canceled church. But I'll here for you guys and show you, yeah, the snow is starting to pile up a little bit. There's no wind right now, so that's a good thing because it is really, really cold. Hope you all are staying safe. I think they still said we're in a 2 to 4 inch snowfall. If the wind does come up, it's going to blow because it's really light and fluffy. But I don't plan on going anywhere unless it's an emergency. I got plenty of food, water, and stuff in the house, so I'm good to go there. And it's right down cold outside. There's no reason to be out. I haven't heard a car go by yet this morning, so everybody's just staying home and in the house where it's warm. So just wanted to get you guys going here this morning. Don't know what we get, but keep everybody that's going through storms and stuff in your prayers. The weather's just been crazy here in Oklahoma. Everything from earthquakes to cold to snow. It's just pretty wild. So God bless you guys. I love you. And we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. Hope the Lord has blessed you and kept you safe. I think we dodged a bullet here in Oklahoma other than the cold. We got maybe an inch, maybe 2 inches of snow. The wind hasn't picked up, so there's no blowing snow or anything. It's just cold outside. It's got a high temperature of 8 today. So obviously I didn't do much for video. Yeah, I did get some GoPro video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy that. It isn't a whole lot. It's just some of the snowfall when it was coming down this morning. Looks like Tennessee's going to get maybe 6 inches or so of snow, and Arkansas is going to get some heavy snow. But Ryan Hall, y'all, is saying it's not supposed to be a blizzard or anything. There'll just be some accumulation of snow. So let's pray for that. That nobody's getting in a blizzard here or anything. So it's just going to be the cold weather for the next couple days, and then by next week we're pushing upper 40s again here. So we just got to get through the next couple days, and we should be pretty good. Hopefully this will moderate, and the cold weather will disappear. Through the upper Midwest, they're still going to be cold, but that's typical for this time of year. So anyway, God bless you guys. I love you, and we'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, tonight for dinner I'm going to make some waffle fries, and I got a pound of ground beef. I'm going to make some hamburgers, and I'm not sure what kind of vegetable I'm going to have yet, but I haven't looked that far ahead. I got the oven going, getting warmed up right now, and then I'm going to season up my ground beef, and I'm going to cook it on my cast iron griddle again tonight. So we'll bring you along with that. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Okay, in my ground beef, I'm going to add the original Country Bob seasoned salt. Some onion powder. And some black pepper. I got to go get that, but I think that's what I'm going to start with, seasoning, and we'll go from there. Okay, I also decided to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to it, and then I'll mix this all up and get it ready to put on my griddle. We'll show you what it's like once I get started. Okay, I got the burgers made up, and I decided to go with some baked beans for the vegetable. My griddle's getting hot, so I'm going to get these put on, and we'll show you that once we get it started here. Hey everybody, I got the burgers cooking. The fries are in the oven. I know there's 4 of them here, but I'll save a couple of them for tomorrow and have them for lunch tomorrow. So yeah, they're cooking away really good. Hope you guys enjoy this. I got the cheese cut to put on top of them, so God bless you guys. I'll talk to you later. Hey everybody, here's my dinner for tonight. Got some baked beans, baked waffle fries, a couple of burgers, and some of my homemade barbecue sauce, and of course my water. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We'll talk to you later. God bless. Hey everybody, hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday. Didn't do much here. Probably not going to go out the rest of the night. It's supposed to get below 0 tonight again, so I think I'll just stay in the house and watch some YouTube videos and see what else is on TV, I guess. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't much, but if you can, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like, share, comment. That helps my channel a lot. If you can share my videos and tell all your friends, I definitely appreciate it. And like I always say, treat everybody the way you want to be treated and make this world a better place. Keep moving toward them goals, one step at a time, even when it's below 0. But be nice, be kind, be a good person. Check on your neighbors. With all the storms that are going around, God bless you guys. I love you, and we'll talk to you later. God bless.